Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use GIFs in Teams chat. So, GIFs are a fun way to make conversations more engaging in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're celebrating a win, reacting to a message, or adding humor to a chat, Teams lets you send GIFs with just a few taps or clicks. So, open Microsoft Teams on your PC or mobile. Then go to the chat or channel where you want to send a GIF. Then from here, tap the GIF icon in the message composer. So just click this smiley right here. Then you should see GIFs besides emoji. So click on GIFs, click accept. Then from here, you can search or browse for a GIF. So once you find the GIF that you want to send, just click on that. Then click send or attach. So let's click send and it will be sent right away. So use the search bar to quickly find GIFs that match your conversation. So keep GIFs professional in work related chats. And remember that some organizations restrict or disable GIFs to comply with workplace policies. So you can also send GIFs in both one on one chats or group chats and channels as long as your organization settings allow it. So Microsoft Teams supports GIFs on Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone, though the location of the GIF button may vary slightly between versions. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.